Good afternoon. I am a teacher of Kazakh language, Doshan Shandarbekulu. Today we have the third lesson. For the development of the Kazakh language, you will need two keys. This one, vocabulary, and the two rules that will give you the right to use the learned words. I made a dictionary called 506 söz. Then there is a 500 golden words. Dictionary Latin chart, 500 words and 150 verbs. And 250 nouns in the form of pictures and other words. Dictionary you can request to this address, Doshan 47 email room, and I'll post an electronic version of this dictionary. The whole course I will teach you how to use the words of verbs and nouns. The theme of the third lesson, using the verb in three times, and it present, future, and past. On the screen you can see in the chat 3 times: present, future, and past. Present. Word means I. Word sin and sis means you, but sin, this is a rough treatment, and sis, respectful treatment. And what? Wall means he and she. After you see 3 dots, here you put the word verbs, and after you see suffixes up, ep, p, verb, helper, and ending. How to use this scheme? For example, consider the word drink. I drink. I men drink. Drink in the Kazakh language ish. We put what's ish here, and after you see 3 suffix up, ep, and p. Here we select only on suffix. Suffix up, solid. The suffix ep, plant. The suffix p, consonant. If the verb suffix soft, then choose soft. The word ish, soft, that is a ship. After you see 3 words: third, water, and shutter. Designation: tur, stand up; water, sit down; shutter, lean. But the eye here shows how the action takes place. Tur, actions occur standing. Water, actions occur sitting. Shutter, actions occur lying. As will drink the best drinking sitting, choose what? Water. A ship, water. After you see ending man, song, siz. Ending man only added the pronoun men. Ending sung only added the to the pronoun sen. Ending sus only added to the pronoun siz. You. There is no ending. Men ishib water. Yes. Man. We choose ending man. You drink. Sen ishib water sın. You drink. Siz ishib water siz. Wall ishib water. Now I will take film what's look means on the Kazakh language. Qara, present, I look. I, men, look. Qara, after letter A, vowel, and letter A and E, vowel. Two vowels can be together, therefore we choose a consonant suffix p. Men qarab. If you look clean, that we choose words shutter, lean. Men qarab жатыр, and personal ending pronoun men. This is man. Men qarab жатырмын. I look. You look. You. Sen. Qarab. If you look sitting, that we choose word sit. This is water. Water. Sen qarab water. And the personal and the pronoun personal ending. This is sın. And sen qarab o'tirsın. You look. you look, siz qarab. If you look standing, that we choose words tur, stand up, tur. And siz qarab tursiz. Pronouns personal ending siz. He looks or she looks, ол qarab tur. Future drink means ish of Kazakh language. I'll drink. Men drink. Ish. After you see firm letter A, ye, a soft letter, and E, a consonant. And as so ish, soft words, we choose soft, a suffix, and this is ye. She. After you see two pronouns personal ending man and men. Ending man for firm letter, men for a soft letter. We choose ending men, men, shaman. You will drink. Sen içesin. You will drink. Siz içesin. He will drink or she will drink. Ol içedi. Future look. I will look. I. Man look. Qara. Letter A. Vowel and suffix A and ye. Vowel. Vowels. Two vowels can be together, and we choose, and therefore we choose suffix E, consonant. After men qaray, after you see ending man and ending men. Ending man for words film, ending men for words soft. Qara words film, and we choose man. And men qaray man. You will look. Sen qaraysin. You will look. Siz qaraysiz. He will looks or she will looks. Ol qaraydi. What drink? Past. I drank. I men drank. Fish and Here you see the, this is from suffixes, and the, this is suffix. We must choose, this is one suffix, the, or t. T. We choose t. T. And past pronoun ending ma. Men eshitdim. You don't. Sen eshitding. You drunk. Siz eshitdingiz. He drank or she drank. All eshitdi. Here, personal ending, no. What's look? Past. I look it. I. Men look. Qara, we choose suffix. The. Past pronouns. Personal ending ma. Men qaradim. You look it. Sen qaradim. You look it. Siz qaradingiz. Pronouns. Siz, personal ending. Ingiz. He or she look it. Ol qaradi. Task for you: solve to on words according to the scheme. That is was interesting to use technology. I write the diary every day in that language which I learned. I began with 3 offer and I gave 10-15 minutes of day. I added according to on offer, so I mastered English for a short time. On it we finished the third lesson. So goodbye.